Hi guys, I'm Dana Bomar, and I'm gonna do a look with the Waiting Room palette. But my lips are super stained because I was trying on every single lip color. So I'm gonna start with lips first. I'm gonna put on Miss Argentina. We're gonna keep the red theme going. I'm gonna use this detail blend brush. So let's start with No Exit. Ooh, she's cute already. What if this was just a look? Okay, you're done now. I'm gonna take this same color, No Exit, on the inside. Let's take Obituary with this fluffy brush. I'm just gonna tap it a little bit. I'll just like blend this like even past my brow. I'm gonna softly blend this across. And I really like to diffuse all the edges. Like I was saying, just go further than you think. Even with a completely clean brush, round detail short brush with No Exit as well. I'll show you this. Just gonna pack this on the bottom outer edge and on the inner corner. And then we'll use the 820. My favorite tip for hooded eyes always is to apply your makeup with your eyes open. So I exaggerate my crease color, and I'm even going to exaggerate this center lid, because if I just do the brightness on the center, I don't know if you noticed, but I connected this way higher, and then I'm gonna do the bright pretty high up, like past my crease, so that you can see it when my eyes are open. Medium shading brush, and I'm gonna use Sandworm in the center. And again, I like to take this a little higher than my crease so that when my eyes are open, you can see this. Otherwise, just on my lid, you're not gonna see it. And then I'm gonna take Obituary a little bit with this and just blend the edges here on the white. And then let's take that little smudge brush, round detail short for the bottom. And curl my lashes. This mascara is the best mascara. This formula is not waterproof or water resistant, and I always have issues with mascaras transferring and smudging and all that on the bottom, but this mascara really stays put. I think I am gonna go in with a little bit of Juno, which is the shimmery color. It just gives you that shimmery effect. You're not gonna get a solid silver foil out of it. It's more for just that extra glitter. Okay, I'm gonna add a little Nevermore to my cheeks. So this is the look. This is Waiting Room. Okay, I just wanna do a quick lip change because why not? Let's do Calypso, I just wanna see it. Okay, so here's the look with Calypso. Maybe we should have somebody vote. Miss Argentina or Calypso, or both.